Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions.
Believe it or not, that aspirin in your medicine cabinet isn't just for headaches. It has several surprising uses in your garden. If you enjoy learning about these kinds of tips, please hit that like button and subscribe for more backyard gardening content. Aspirin can boost your plant's natural defenses and combat certain fungal issues. You can use it on fruits and vegetables such as tomatoes. Using it on tomatoes may enhance disease resistance and potentially increase fruit yield. Peppers. Aspirin can aid in preventing certain bacterial and fungal diseases. Potatoes. Aspirin may help reduce the risk of late blight in potatoes. Late blight is a fungal disease that damages leaves, stems, and even the potato tubers. In many instances, when a potato plant is infected, it will need to be destroyed. Cucumbers. Aspirin in cucumbers may contribute to stronger vine growth and improved yield. Flowering plants and aspirin. Roses. Using aspirin on your roses can help prevent black spot, a fungal disease usually found in humid conditions. It attacks both new leaves and the cane, weakening the plant. Marigolds. When using aspirin on marigolds, it encourages compact, abundant growth and blooms. Petunias. Even petunias appear to flower more when adding aspirin to your gardening routine. Aspirin is not only for flowering plants, herbs may benefit too. Mint. Aspirin can help prevent powdery mildew. And if you're planting seedlings, aspirin may promote faster germination and stronger seedling development. Here's how to make your own do-it-yourself aspirin spray. You'll need 1 uncutted aspirin tablet, 1 gallon of water, distilled or rainwater is preferred, 1 teaspoon of mild liquid dish soap. To make, thoroughly crush the aspirin tablet. Dissolve the crushed aspirin in the gallon of water, stirring well. Add the dish soap, if using, and mix gently. Transfer the solution to a spray bottle or garden sprayer. Apply the spray to the foliage of your plants every 2 to 4 weeks, preferably during the cooler parts of the day, such as in the morning or evening. Here are some important tips. Always conduct a test spray on a small, inconspicuous area of the plant, first to check for any adverse reactions. Avoid oversaturating the plants, as excessive application can lead to stress or damage. Here's a bonus. Use aspirin in cut flowers. There's nothing worse than buying a bouquet of fresh cut flowers only to have them wilt the next day. It's like throwing your money away. If you want to extend the life of cut flowers, add 1 crushed aspirin tablet to a vase of fresh water. Using aspirin in your garden can be a helpful supplement to good gardening practices, potentially supporting plant health and yield. Remember that it's not a substitute for proper care. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.